We come now to the final quiz here, which is I'd like to compute the probability that the message today is secret falls into the spam box with a Laplacian smoother using k equals 1. Please just enter your number over here. This is a non-trivial question. It might take you a while to calculate it. And the approximate probability is 0.4858. How do we get this? Well, the prior probability for spam under Laplacian smoothing is 2/5. Today doesn't occur, but we already calculated this to be 1/21. Is occurs once, so we get 2 over here over 21. Secret occurs 3 times, so we get a 4 over here over 21. And we normalize this by the same expression over here, plus the prior for ham, that is 3/5. We have 2 occurrences of today, plus 1 equals 3 over 27. Is occurs once, 2 over 27. And secret occurs once, again 2 over 27. When you work this all out, you get this number over here. So we learned quite a bit. We learned about naive Bayes as our first supervised learning methods. The setup was that we had features of documents, or trading examples, and labels, in this case spam or not spam. And from those features, we made a generative model for the spam class and the non-spam class that described the conditional probability of each individual feature. We then used first maximum likelihood and then a Laplacian smoother to fit those parameters over here, and then using Bayes' rule, we could take any training examples over here and figure out what the class probability was over here. This is called a generative model, in that the conditional probabilities all aim to maximize the predictability of individual features as if those describe the physical world. We also used what's called a bag of words model, in which our representation of each email was such that we just counted the occurrences of words irrespective of their order. Now, this is a very powerful method for fighting spam. Unfortunately, it's not powerful enough. It turns out spammers know about naive Bayes, and they've long learned to come up with messages that are fooling your spam filter if it uses naive Bayes. So companies like Google and others have become much more involved in methods for spam filtering. Now, I can give you some more examples how to filter spam, but all of those quite easily fit into the same naive Bayes model.